Hello and warm welcome to all of you guys out there. Here I'm Sikha and today I will be sharing a photo frame made with popsicle sticks or ice cream sticks. Look at the texture. I have applied a dash of acrylic colors here. Now if you have not subscribed to my channel and new here, then please subscribe and press the bell button to get notified whenever I upload a video. For this photo frame, take a cardboard. It should be hard enough and some popsicle or ice cream sticks. Cut off the rounded ends of all the sticks and then we have to stick it on the cardboard. When finished, keep aside and take the cardboard to beautify it with some colored paper. I have taken a printed one for the front part and a plain one for the back. Cut the extra part and make it the exact size as that of the cardboard and then stick to them.